They compete with calls. The sound is greatly amplified by air sacs on their throats. The skin surrounding the sacs is so thin that as they inflate, you can see right through them. This assembly is 100 feet above the ground, high in the canopy, so high that very few people have ever seen the birds performing this extraordinary chorus, let alone film it. The top male, with presumably the best voice, occupies the best site, a forked branch totally free of leaves. The females look exactly the same as the males, as you might expect, since the males are not using special costumes to compete with one another. When a female flies down to the best branch, all the males call with renewed intensity. More females arrive. A female tells the male she has chosen him by giving him a peck on the neck. She flutters to the other branch invitingly. But he's concentrating so hard on his display that he doesn't seem to notice her. She tries again. That's the idea. And then he notices a second female. Call as they might, none of the males on other branches get a look in. The calf bird has a cousin whose males also display in groups. They compete not with sound, but with colour. The cock of the rock. The males assemble in groups of a dozen or so, perching low down on lianas, watching out for females and squabbling among themselves.